Whether it's a classroom, a makerspace, or a media center, space is so valuable, almost every educational product needs to be dual purpose. That's the idea behind MiEN's newest product, the Tinker. It's a future-ready 360-degree bookcase that adapts to your needs in any learning environment. Now, the Tinker is certainly at home in the media center as a great-looking mobile storage piece. It's got 3 tiers of shelving all the way around and a large top surface to display books or student projects. But it also has flexibility built in. Check this out. After removing a couple shelves, which store neatly inside the unit, so you'll never lose them, you can convert the whole thing into a cafe height table. Whether students are sitting on a stool or walking up and engaging as a group, the Tinker is ready for collaboration in a classroom, makerspace, or STEM lab. Keep in mind that same topside storage can also hold up to 9-inch deep plastic bins for quick access to materials. That means it integrates with other bin storage systems throughout the learning environment. Of course, when you're all done, everything fits cleanly inside. The conversion only takes a couple moments. Last but not least, the Tinker can be quickly disassembled and split into 2 halves, allowing it to fit through a conventional single doorway if needed. For more information, go to our website, MiENenvironments.com, follow us on LinkedIn, or reach out to a local MiEN dealer.